going to make a base ponytail first, and then I'm going to go ahead and slick up the rest of the hair to make sure it's neat and clean and beautiful for our look today. Now, when your client has a lot of hair and they want something like a ponytail, this is the easiest way to make sure their hair is neat and slick, taking it by sections. Make sure you have the placement of where you want your ponytail to be because, of course, there's no going back from here. Once you slick everything up, you want to continue with the process. Now, I'm not going to apply any product until I get the hair where I want it to, and then I will apply some product to make sure it's sleek. So even if you are doing this alone, you don't have your hairstylist on hand, it's pretty much the same. You want to make sure you are sectioning out to have it easier for you to grip your hair up into a ponytail. If you have a lot of hair or if you have 4C texture, you still want to make sure you're sectioning out in parts to get your hair as sleek as possible. And now we are going to make sure everything is sleek and chic and beautiful. Now I'm using hairspray because gel takes a little bit longer to dry, and if you're in a hurry or you want to be quick, hairspray dries faster and it is more sufficient for you. Now you can already see a major difference with that, right? Super cute. Okay, now we're going to take our excess hair that's in the ponytail and we are going to separate it into two sections, right? We're going to take one section, we're going to twist it. See, lifting that up and twisting it around to create our base for our ponytail. Make sure you wrap that last hair all the way around. And then we're going to take the other section and do the same thing. And you want to get it as tight as possible without discomfort, of course, because tension is not for us. We do not like tension. Okay, so now we have our base done. Everything is sleek and chic, and like I said, we'll take care of these tendrils a little later. Now we're going to get into our ponytail. The ponytail is so beautiful and it feels like human hair. It's so good. It's created from a lot of wonderful textures of synthetic hair from all over the world, and they blended them together to create the beautiful Memoshi texture. As you can see, it's heat resistant. You can use heat on her, you can straighten, you can do a lot of different things with this ponytail. Fibers are guaranteed to not rip apart or burn or do anything like it tangled. It's a wonderful, wonderful product. And it's easy to use. So we're just gonna stretch out the drawstring here on our ponytail. Make it wide enough to fit over your base. Gonna take the combs that are attached to it, and you're going to insert it into the bun of the ponytail, okay? Same thing with the back. There is another comb to help you secure into place. We're going to take that and do the same thing with the back. After you position her, you're going to take the drawstring that also came in the ponytail and you're going to tighten it. Now, you want to hide this as well. So you can take it and wrap it around the base to keep our secrets, okay? And the beauty of these ponytails is that they're so quick and simple to use. Like it's, as you can see, it's just a drawstring and some combs and you are out the door. So cute. And that's how you do a SAEMOSHI ponytail. The Vivacé by Kiss line is so convenient and it's so easy to use. It's a quick pull and snap on and you are out the door. It's perfect for back to school.
This ponytail is so light on my head. It's not like other ponytails that weigh you down. It's okay.
Now stay tuned for our next Vivacé tutorial.